and then we just screw it on. 3 screws, 1 in each end and 1 in the middle. And that's how to properly install a gutter guard. And how to not have problems ever again with your gutters. Is to install gutter glove, stainless steel double mesh gutter guards. 25-year warranty. As you can see, professionally installed. They have a weather stripping piece right here. It's hard to get a hold of sometimes. You gotta take your time with it. Peel it off. I don't have any fingernails, that's why it's hard for me, but peel the red strip off, lay it out of your way, make sure this is straight. You can see it's stainless steel, no rust, no stuff like that. Very durable, leaves, pine needles, nothing. Roof grit will not go through this 400 mesh stainless steel. We clean the gutters thoroughly before we install to make sure the water will flow continuously with no disturbances at all. Pop it on just like that, make sure it overlaps the other one. Then we make sure the weather stripping's down. The screws also help with the sealing of the weather stripping on the front. That's another reason, but they are also just more durable. You screw it down, you know it's not coming off. But that's our stainless steel double mesh gutter guards by Atlas. Offer 25-year warranty. All about perfection. Thank you.